Welcome to Product Critique, the home of smart product insights and stylish finds. Today, we're spotlighting what we think is the best 3D cat shirt for women. The Yajooey 3D printed unisex t-shirt. Let's dive right in. The Yajooey shirt stands out immediately with its vibrant, colorful 3D print. A bold fusion of art and fashion. Whether you're into galaxy vibes, animal prints, or funky surreal designs, this shirt doesn't just whisper personality, it shouts it. The one we're looking at today is in Multicolor 53, which has this wild, trippy aesthetic that's bound to turn heads. But this shirt isn't just about looks. It's made of a soft blend of polyester and spandex. And that means two things. It stretches and it breathes. So, it's not only comfortable to wear for hours, whether you're out running errands, at a music fest, or chilling at home, but it also holds its shape well, even after multiple washes. And speaking of washing, it's machine washable, no fussy care instructions here. Just throw it in, pull it out, and it's good to go. That's one less thing to think about, which is always a win. Now let's talk fit. It's unisex, so it's designed to suit both men and women. The shirt comes in 5 different sizes, from L to XXL. And since it has a good amount of elasticity, it naturally adjusts to your shape. But do check out the size chart, it'll help you land the perfect fit. There's about a 1 to 2 centimeters variance because of manual measurement, so keep that in mind. What really elevates this t-shirt, though, is the 3D dye sublimation printing. This isn't your average iron-on graphic. The ink is fused deep into the fabric fibers, so you won't deal with any fading, cracking, or peeling over time. That vivid print, whether it's a psychedelic cat face or a galaxy wolf, stays just as bold and sharp as the day you bought it. This makes it a great choice for casual days, gym wear, travel, or just injecting a little fun into your daily wardrobe. It's also a pretty great gift for anyone with a love for quirky style or standout fashion. And hey, it's imported, but surprisingly accessible. Considering how unique and bold the designs are, you'd expect this to be part of a limited streetwear drop or a boutique fashion label. But it's right there on Amazon, easy to find and even easier to wear. So if you're looking to make a statement without saying a word, or you just want to own the most unapologetically cool 3D cat shirt on the internet, Yajooey's got your back. This has been another Spotlight review from Product Critique. If you want more awesome product breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button and let us know what you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.